everyone's saying? Dr. Evans' jaw tightened. That's a personal question that only Lucia. How had those photos leaked? Who could have released them? And most importantly, did Lucia know they were circulating? Dr. Latham? A voice interrupted his thoughts. He turned to see Principal Samuels approaching. Thank you for coming today. The students are already gathering in the hall for your presentation. Dr. Evans forced a smile, not wanting to delay the event. Just had to address some inappropriate behavior in the hallway, but a daycare for tonight. With the kitchen cleaned, they moved to the living room with glasses of wine. Your new job is going well, Dr. Evans asked. The pay is much better, and I'm being considered for a promotion next month, Daniela beamed. That's wonderful, Doctor, Evans said sincerely. I'm proud of you after everything you've been through. When he checked his watch and saw it approaching 11, Dr. Evans stood to leave. Thank you again for everything, Daniela said at the door. Your family now, he replied simply. Driving home, Dr. Evans couldn't shake his concern about Lucia's subdued demeanor. Despite 3 years of healing, something in her eyes tonight reminded him of the frightened girl
He makes such a mess.
a shadow he hadn't seen in months. But
I left a pumpkin seed for him outside.
even survivors working hard to rebuild their lives. The following morning, Dr. Evan arrived at Santa Rosa High School carrying a box of informational pamphlets. The school's administrative assistant greeted him warmly.
The pumpkin seed tray.
Multi-purpose hall where his presentation would take place. It's okay. Mom's helped a lot with raising Camilla. She turned to Daniela. Thanks for providing for us and making sure I can still go to school. Everyone's saying. Dr. Evans' jaw tightened. That's a personal question that only Lucia. How had those photos leaked? Who could have released them? And most importantly, did Lucia know they were circulating? Dr. Latham? A voice interrupted his thoughts. He turned to see Principal Samuels approaching. Thank you for coming today. The students are already gathering in the hall for your presentation. Dr. Evan forced a smile, not wanting to delay the event. Just had to address some inappropriate behavior in the hallway, but a daycare for tonight. With the kitchen cleaned, they moved to the living room with glasses of wine. Your new job is going well, Dr. Evan asked. The pay is much better, and I'm being considered for a promotion next month, Daniela beamed. That's wonderful, Doctor, Evan said sincerely. I'm proud of you after everything you've been through. When he checked his watch and saw it approaching 11, Dr. Evans stood to leave. Thank you again for everything, Daniela said at the door. Your family now, he replied simply. Driving home, Dr. Evans couldn't shake his concern about Lucia's subdued demeanor. Despite 3 years of healing, something in her eyes tonight reminded him of the frightened girl
He makes such a mess.
a shadow he hadn't seen in months. But
I left a pumpkin seed for him outside.
even survivors working hard to rebuild their lives. The following morning, Dr. Evan arrived at Santa Rosa High School carrying a box of informational pamphlets. The school's administrative assistant greeted him warmly.
The pumpkin seed tray.
Multi-purpose hall where his presentation would take place. It's okay. Mom's helped a lot with raising Camilla. She turned to Daniela. Thanks for providing for us and making sure I can still go to school.